Mlama Puuloa is one nonprofit. They're making it its mission to help restore Pearl Harbor, and they're looking for your support. And joining us today is the founder and CEO of Hui O Ho'ohonua, Tony Chance. Hi, Tony.
Hi, how are you?
Welcome to our hale.
Oh, I love it.
Talk about Mālama Aina, yeah. It feels like you said Mālama Aina with all these plants and foliage, yeah.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Hey,
yes.
so Tony, welcome to our Ali Life Live. Tell us, what exactly is Mlama Puuloa?
We are an organization. Mlama Puuloa is actually a underneath our blanket organization, the one I'm CEO of HOH 808, Hui O Ho'ohonua, a lot of names out there. But Mlama Puuloa is actually taking care of what we know as Pu'uloa, or Pearl Harbor. That is correct. So this was a place that was thriving at one time with all sorts of fish, the mullet, the anai fish, freshwater streams, 12 freshwater streams that flowed into Pu'uloa. People would travel far and wide for the abundance. So right now it's not that way, right? So we have to put our our gloves on and get to work and bring the community, and this cannot happen without the community. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and tomorrow you're set to have a press conference with Honolulu Mayor Rick Nanjiani.
That right? is correct. It's huge.
So tell us about this big push, the city's push for this huge project.
Well, this is what we have found over the years, that everybody really wants us to succeed at all levels.
Right.
And we really need everybody to be on board, not just the city, and the city has been incredible. Federal, everybody, and the local, the nonprofit, everybody coming together. But tomorrow, the mayor is having a press conference to have like this historic right of entry, working with us in this area along the shoreline. And what that is going to look like, we don't know yet. The community, we know that it's going to be incredible and fantastic if everybody's working together.
Yeah, speaking about everybody, how is Mālama Puuloa involving the community?
Oh, it's touching all sorts of the community. The schools, we have at least 28 different schools, including universities, grade schools. We have private schools, public schools, middle schools, high schools. All schools we don't even know about, homeschoolers even, that are, and nonprofits. We have other people that are doing fantastic work in the Pu'uloa area that are working together, because we cannot do it without everybody working together. So that's the most important part.
Yeah, and like our kupuno always say, you take care of the land will take care of you. Yeah, so we want everyone to Mālama Aina. And how does everyone's kokua play a part in Mālama Puuloa? How does everyone's help that's inclusive? How does it help Pu'uloa?
Well, the thing is right now, it's important. Everybody needs to, in some way, if you can't put your gloves on and work, we have all sorts of ways to help, right? Through fundraising, nonprofits love money. To get this off and running, it's already off and running, but to get it to the level of where we can feed our, everybody, because right now we depend on the ships and the planes.
Yes, yeah.
And Pu'uloa itself used to feed a lot of people. Well, that's where our sense of urgency, but not doing it so fast to where culturally we're not, having, we want to do it right. And we have a cultural hui that guides us in what we're doing, and so it's incredible, the love and the aloha that we have. It's just, so that's how people can help. We need to get our hands dirty.
And where can people go for more information?
Well, we have our websites. We actually have two, hoh808.org, and we have malamapuuloa.org.
Love it.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, it's going to be exciting. And like I always say, it's a kako thing. We all got to work together.
We all have to work together.
And we are in it with you, folks, so please come and join us again, okay?
Yes, ma'am.